Ayan guys, it's nice to know some some self-defense sometimes away to the people who is abusive, especially some man, but not a lot. You know, women must know how to save themselves, and they must be strong, brave. Yeah. It's nice to learn sometimes like this, guys. To make us stronger. A lot of people here, guys. They have a lot of activities here in Victoria Park, as usual. This is a big park, guys. So look at the surroundings. Ayan. Today is Sunday, so a lot of people having rest day. So they came here for rest. Yeah, this is the biggest park here in Hong Kong. Some are there also there. There are a lot of activities there. And guys, and also the bird are here. See, look at the bird. They are also having fun. They're having fun here. Oh, there's a lot of birds. See, the birds are not scared of people, but the little girl and little boy scaring the bird. He's kicking. Napadaan lang kami guys dito, hindi kami diyan nagtambay kami sa may seaside. We stay in seaside. More quiet in seaside, not much people. Here, a lot of people, guys. So we must away from crowded one. We just pass by here. So while passing by, walking there in the middle, I'll just take a video to have a new content. Ayan guys. Always crowded every She's there. She's still playing. That girl wearing blue. Yeah, that's my sister. I'm waiting for her.